Ever felt the satisfaction of powerful tillage? Kail's Challenge plow slices into the soil with extraordinary power and precision. All you have to do is steer straight and enjoy perfectly tilled land. You might have seen farm machines before. This one is razor-sharp precision. Compact, agile, and equipped at the rear with a spinning blade disc like a turbocharged saw. Krishna Netrang's machine rapidly slices banana trunks, instantly grinding them into chips. The grasshopper softly vibrates bushes to collect blueberries into chilled containers. Operating across 2 hectares daily, with a swath width of about 4 feet, it ensures every berry is harvested safely and effectively.